What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech with Luke. On today's episode, we're going to be going over the Moft laptop stand from Amazon. It's actually an adhesive-backed laptop stand that's foldable and is all in one piece, stays on the laptop. We're going to be going over the pros and cons of that. If you stay to the end, I'll give you my final thoughts and opinions on it, and if I think you should buy it or not if you're in the market for one. And as a quick note, I just wanted to say thank you so much to my 50 subscribers. It's an honor to have 50 people watching, subscribe to my channel. I just wanted to say how much I appreciate that if you do watch this video. And let's get to the Moft laptop stand. When you get the package, it's like an envelope. You take it out, and then it's flat like this. And this side, underneath this material here, had a film on it, and you take the film off and it's like a sticker, and you're supposed to put this sticky side down directly onto your laptop. I, as you can see, have a colorware black matte skin on mine. I wouldn't have cared to put it directly on the MacBook Pro body, but maybe that would be a hesitation for some people, is that they would not want to put this sticker type material on directly on their laptop body. I personally did not care. I did have a skin on it already, so it didn't even matter there for me. But I put it on the skin. If you want to know if it would work on the skin, yes it does. I've had this on here for about a month, and I've been using it at home. I basically set it up every single time I use my laptop. I almost never use it flat anymore. So basically what it is it's PU material, and it basically can fold to 2 levels. So once you stick this down, that's it. Now all you have to do is put it to a certain level. It took me a second to figure it out. I actually had to go back into the instructions to figure out how to fold it correctly, but really all it is you fold it to one position, which is this, and that is one height, which I believe is 15 degrees, and then you can fold it back like this and get 25 degrees out of it. So to show you how that looks, fold it up like this. Usually just lean it. So there is 25 degrees, and if you just flip that back right there, boom, you're at 15 degrees. This is probably how I use it the most. One of the downsides I would say to this is if you do like to use your MacBook flat, even though it is so slim, like you can barely even see, but it is higher than the MacBook's little feet. So if you do like using your MacBook Pro flat, you will have this if you put any weight on the front here, or in the laptop maybe, but especially this MacBook Pro 16-inch. I guess you could place this differently. It does suggest to place it near the back. So doing that, there's going to be a rocking, which is a con of this, but I don't use my MacBook Pro flat anymore. I put it at the 15 degrees, and I've used it like this ever since I got it. So that is a con there, that if you don't like the wobbles, and you're going to be using it flat, then maybe it's not a good choice. What I did want to try is, it actually says that this is reusable, that you can unstick this and stick it back on multiple times in the description. So I'm actually going to do that right now because it's bothering me, and I'm going to show this to you guys so you don't have to mess up yours once you get it. I'll do that for you. See, it's this like silicone sticky material here, just like a sticker. I'm actually going to line this up correctly this time. So all you do is, if this was new, you would take off the film here, This is the installation. Take off the film, you line it up on the back to where it would be actually equal both sides. And it's still sturdy, still very sticky. Oh, well. that did not work out well. But I'm probably not going to be lifting it from there many times, so as the weight sits on this, it will probably become stickier again. You can see, works fine. No, yes, if you lean to the left or right, it's going to have some instability, but using it how you would use a normal laptop, you push down on the keys, it's pretty stable, because most of the time you're going to have your wrist down, which gives you some stability. So really, I'd say for how thin and unobscure it is, for the stability of it, is pretty impressive. I do like that it's not an external thing that I have to put on there, because I like to go to coffee shops and work from home in different places of the house, and I'd like to have that incline on the laptop that if I was away from my desk I would not have if it was a stand that I had here on my desk. If you're looking for a slim laptop stand that you can take to coffee shops or on the road, or you do computer work in your car, or you work at a desk, it's just a no-brainer. The Moft is actually only $25 on Amazon. In my opinion, if you're in the market for a slim laptop stand that you can bring anywhere, and you don't mind sticking the sticker to your laptop, again, you could have a skin to not have that direct contact. I don't believe it would hurt at all. This is a grippy material too. That's another feature. This is really grippy, so when you put it on your desk, this is just a glass top desk, I can push and it's not sliding all around. It's actually got some pretty good grip to it, which is another great feature. So yeah, I really have basically only all good things to say about it. Obviously it's a personal preference if you like this style or not. Some people would like the external stand that props it up real high here and is silver, metal, and whatever. I just wanted something that I could take with me and be ergonomical and work well. And I believe this achieves all of them, and it's only $25 on Amazon. So you really can't beat it. You put it in your laptop bag. You still got a stand, ergonomical stand anywhere you go. Alright y'all, I appreciate y'all watching to the end of the video. So to conclude, the Moft, M-O-F-T stand, however you pronounce it, is a great accessory for your laptop, especially if you got one of these bigger laptops like I got, the 16-inch. It just makes working on a laptop so much better for your posture, your wrists, everything. It's absolutely worth the $25. It's a no-brainer for me. Hopefully it's a no-brainer for you. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, I appreciate a like. If you want to see me review more stuff that I'm going to be doing in the future, I'm going to be doing at least an upload per week, every week, to show y'all new stuff that I already have and for some new stuff that I'm going to be getting. So don't miss out. Subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, thank you for your time today. Catch you next time.